Compass Evaluations and Coaching Plans is an AI-first quality management layer integrated with Genesys Cloud. It turns eligible conversations into evidence-backed evaluations, gives managers the tools to govern exceptions, and converts quality findings into accountable coaching plans. Traditional QA usually reviews only a small sample of conversations. And even when AI is introduced, many approaches remain only semi-automated. The AI suggests a score, but the rest of the quality process still depends heavily on manual review. Compass changes that model. It does not stop at automated scoring. It automates the full QM chain: conversation eligibility, form selection, evaluated agent selection, consistent scoring, review windows, disputes, final decisions, dashboards, and coaching. The goal is not only to score faster. It is to turn quality management into a governed, traceable, and actionable workflow at scale. The full workflow is end-to-end, but the important point is that quality is built in from the start. Compass does not simply generate an AI score and leave quality managers to fix inconsistencies afterwards. The right evaluation form is selected automatically, and each question is scored using configurable question hints, so the AI applies the same standard across eligible conversations from the beginning. Managers then focus on governance, reviewing exceptions, calibrating only where needed, resolving disputes, and using dashboards to identify the agents, sections, and behaviors that require attention. Finally, the same evidence feeds personalized coaching plans that are tracked through completion and approval. The scoring is not just a number. Each question is evaluated against the same form and standards, with a transcript-based justification, a reliability indicator, and improvement actions when performance is weak. No evidence questions are excluded rather than unfairly failed, so the result stays credible. For quality managers, the value is review by exception. Compass scores eligible conversations automatically, then managers focus their time where human judgment matters most: low reliability questions, failed evaluations, disputes, compliance risks, and cases where a manual calibration is required. Human governance remains central. When an agent disputes a score, the manager can accept, reject, or rescore. In every case, Compass does record the original score, the agent's requested score, and the final QM decision, creating a clear and defensible audit trail. The quality management dashboard helps managers move from thousands of evaluations to the agents and behaviors that require attention. Leaders can rank by overall score, QA category, critical or compliance failures, or form pass rate, then drill into strengths, weaknesses, trends, and volume. Compass also connects quality with business outcomes. Managers can see which QA categories are weakest, whether stronger quality aligns with better customer sentiment, which topics create performance issues, where churn risk appears, and whether agents are balancing quality with handle time. Section Trends provides a single-form deep dive. Each agent appears against every evaluation section, with current scores, latest results, trends, and team averages. This makes it easy to identify whether a performance issue is individual, team-wide, or linked to a specific section of the scorecard. Coaching Insights turns reporting into action. Agent progression shows whether performance is improving, stable, or declining. Training priorities rank the questions, sections, or QA categories with the biggest gaps, helping managers move from a general quality concern to the exact skill and agents requiring attention. When dashboards reveal the signal, Lens helps explain the cause. A manager can ask natural language questions, such as which evaluation questions are weakest this month and which agents are most affected. Lens returns ranked answers, affected agents, supporting patterns, and suggested areas for deeper analysis. The final step is coaching. But Compass does not stop at scheduling a meeting or creating a simple follow-up action. Managers select real conversations, configure the plan style, agent level, coaching history, and organization-specific coaching guide, then review and share the generated plan. The plan can be commented on, tracked through completion, and finally approved by the manager. The result is not generic feedback or an isolated calendar event. It is a complete coaching workflow, grounded in real customer interactions and managed to an accountable outcome. Behind the scenes, administrators control how automation works. Compass applies the right form to the right conversation using division, queue, direction, talk time, transcript availability, and multi-agent rules. The correct scorecard is selected automatically, while critical questions, compliance flags, and access governance remain under admin control. The evaluation lifecycle is configurable. Administrators define how long managers can rescore, how long agents have to acknowledge evaluations, how long disputes remain open, and when evaluations are released. This gives each organization a controlled balance between automation, transparency, and human governance. The key takeaway is simple. Compass moves quality management from a manual, small sample model to automated, evidence-backed improvement at scale. The real difference is that Compass does not stop at an AI score. Scoring is standardized upfront through configured forms, question hints, and quality policy rules. Then Compass governs the full cycle: review, disputes, dashboards, training priorities, and coaching. And coaching is not reduced to a scheduled meeting. Real conversation evidence becomes a personalized plan that is shared with the agent, discussed, tracked through completion, and approved by the manager. To see how this works with your own Genesys Cloud conversations, contact us for a focused demonstration or pilot.